So today I'll be showing you how you can work with Hashcat. It is an open source high performance password recovery tool which is used for password recovery, digital forensics and ethical hacking. It supports a wide range of hash algorithms. I think it is over 300 and it includes MD5, SHA variants, decrypt and many more. It is also compatible with Windows, Linux or OS. Uh, the best part I found about Hashcat was that uh, you could use GPU for faster processing because we know that brute force attack takes a lot of time to crack a password. So you can use your GPU, you can use the maximum amount of memory you want to make the process faster. So first of all, to see that you have installed most of the Kali systems have Hashcat already installed. You can run the Hashcat command to see that it is already there. If it's not, you can use the sudo apt get install Hashcat command. Let me zoom in on that. You can use this command to see to install basically your Hashcat. Okay, so these two things you can do after installing Hashcat. Obviously, you can run the Hashcat command again that to confirm that you have installed it. And now you can use the help command. It is a very extensive source. It was really helpful for me to understand how to work with Hashcat. I think it will always also help you. Imagine it's a very long list. Okay, so this is the help guide. I know it's a pretty long help guide, so I just wanted to show you one or two things from early. I'll show you how you can work with it. The first is the dash M, which is the option menu, and your dash M will be the type of hash. We will be identifying it using hash ID. You can install it from GitHub. You can search hash ID GitHub, and you will get the third link hash identifier and master. The dash is the attack mode. I'll show you what kind of attack modes you can perform in Hashcat. You can use dash O to output your file into a TXT file or something like that. You can use dash B for the benchmark to see how fast your processor is able to crack a password. Yeah, that's a lot of things. These are the hash modes. Like for we saw that you have to write dash M for the type of hash, and then after that a number. If it's the type of hash you're cracking is MD5, you have to write 0. If it's MD4, you have to write 900, 100 for SHA-1, and so on. Moving on, we can see the attack mode down there somewhere. Yeah, these are the attack modes present by Hashcat. Z for 0 dash A, that we saw the attack mode type, and then the 0 for the straight or the dictionary attack. I will be using the rocky.txt dictionary. You can also install it from GitHub. Uh, 1 for the combination attack, 3 for the brute force, 6 for the hybrid plus mask. You have to write some hybrid mask in wordlist, and 9 for the association. We will be talking about all of these later on. Okay, so yeah, these are some of the basic things that will help you get started with Hashcat. Uh, is it? Okay, so first of all, we will be performing the dictionary attack. So let's start with what's the best directory for that? So let's start with hash test1.txt again. Yeah, this is a hash present. So to identify what kind of hash it is, so that I can feed that information to uh, Hashcat. I can copy this, paste it in hash ID, and it will show me what kind of hash it is. The possible hash is MD5, so I'll be putting the mode as 0. Okay, so we can exit. Now we can use Hashcat. I have to perform the attack. So first 0, since we are using the straight attack, which is known as mode 0, and then I have to give it the hash type, which is 0 for MD5, and different things, 100 for SHA-1, 900 for MD4, and so on. So I know it is MD5 now with the help of hash ID, so I'll be providing it a 0. And then I have to give it the file. The file we are going to crack is test1.txt and the word list after that, which is rocky.txt. This is the basic syntax of using Hashcat. Okay, it is saying that all hashes found as spot file under empty entries, use dash show to display them. So now we can use show command to see the cracked password. You can use dash m0 with the file that we just cracked, which was test1.txt, and then the show command. and this was the hash we were trying to crack, 5f4 DCC, 5f4 DCC, and it has come to be password. So this is how you use Hashcat. This is how you can crack passwords using Hashcat. It's a pretty simple process. You just have to remember its syntax, and it will give you the password. Another thing you can do is you can apply rules to it. So what rules is, you can go to user, oh my bad, you can go to user and share. Here I think you will find Hashcat somewhere. Maybe Hashcat. Yes, there is a directory Hashcat. So now in Hashcat directory you can find rules. Go to rules and you will see these kind of rules. These are the rules that you can modify your Hashcat syntax with. So let's see one rule. Let's try the Rocky 3001, I guess. No, no, no. Rocky 3000 dot rule. So it's not, you don't have to understand all of this. You can create one row for yourself. Let me just show you some starting. Okay, so what does this rule mean? So, like for $1, like just imagine your password that you're trying to crack is password only, is password one. So if the password one is not present in the word list as it is, you will obviously not be able to crack it. So that's where these rules come in place. The $1 means append one to whatever word you're trying in the word list. So if the word list is trying sunshine for right now, so it will append sunshine one also and then try that is this the password. R means you will reverse the string. If it will do it for cat, it will also do it for TAC and check if that's the password. Append two, append one, two, and three to the password. So if the word list has password, so it will append it like password one, two, three. So it overall increases the chances that you can find for you to crack the password. I think I can go back now. So this is how rules come into place. It's pretty tidy. I think we can do that for test2.txt. We can break this. I already know all of these are MD5. You can try it for different types of algorithms. So we can try Hashcat. Now the attack mode is still the dictionary attack I'm giving it. The mode is still 0. But now I'm giving it rules, which is -r. It's user share Hashcat rules argue. But instead of hash2.txt, we are doing it for test2.txt. And I can run this. It also show what kind of devices you can run on. If I have third device, I can use slash capital D to. If I have second device, I can use slash capital D and 2 if it's a GPU for you. I only have this, so I can only run on this. Now I can use the show command. I have to just give it the mode. I have to give it the test file, which is test2.txt, and use the show command. And voila, I got the ROWSS, which is the reverse of password. I just wanted to show you this because I don't think a word list will had draw step in it. So with the help of rules, I was able to crack it because the rules made it check for the reverse of the string also. So if it checked for password, it also checked for DROWSSAP. So this is how rules come into the place. This was the first kind of attack, which was attack 0 mode, and now the attack mode 1 is the combination attack. So here we take two dictionaries. Think of it like you have two simple dictionaries. I think I have made one. Yeah. This is dictionary one. This is not. We are not using rocket.txt in this. This is dictionary two, which we use basically to compare and break our passwords. So the dictionary one has like hello, pass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dictionary two has like bye, 6, 7, 8 words. But and we compared it with dictionary one. We compared it with dictionary two. But what if the password we are trying to crack is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? It will never be able. One of the dictionary will not be able to crack it. So that's where the combination attack comes into place. It concatenates each word from the first list to the second list and then try it. So what you can do is you can just simply write hashcat. You can give it attack mode to be 1. You can give it the mode to be 0 because I know it's 75. I can give it test3.txt that we're going to break. And then we are doing it for dictionary. We are going to give it dictionary1.txt, dictionary2.txt, and it. All hashes found at post file under empty entries. So now I can use the run show command again. Uh, I can use and write how to use just three. Use this and then this is with three. And the password is pass678. See, pass is from dictionary 1, 678 is from dictionary 2. What if I will use dictionary 1? I would not be able to crack it. It's as simple as that. No, I think it has already cracked it, so it will not show me. Okay, sorry. I have to also do it. Uh, I also have to change the mode to attack 0. All actions, I've already found it. It would not work if I would actually have done it for the first time. So then, so yeah, this was it for the combination attack. We can go to the now mode 3, which is the brute force attack. As we all know, here we try all the combination of characters, and it also use a mask. So what our mask are? Mask looks something like this. If you know that the first letter is going to be lowercase, so you can write question mark L. This is the mask for lowercase letter. If you know the next will be uppercase, so you can use this. That the next will be, and you know that the password will contain, password will be something like AB123. So you can be like digit and that digit and digit. This is called masking. So it means try the first letter should be a lowercase ABCDX, the next should be uppercase ABCDX, the next three numbers should be a digit. So you should check for 0 to 9 triple nine. This is how brute force works. We can use it on hash, I mean test 4.txt. That okay, we can run Hashcat for this. The attack mode now will be 3 for brute force. I know the encryption is MD5. I will be running this for test4.txt, and you don't have to supply a word list in case of this. I know the password is something like it has an uppercase letter, it will be followed by three lowercase letter. Just I think it will be more easy to understand if you know what kind of pin you are breaking. For example, if I know that I have found someone pin number, so it will be a 6-digit ATM pin. So I know it will be all D D D D D. So it will be easier to. It is used in such cases where you kind of have an idea what will the password look like. So here I know the password is something like this. So it will try to crack this. It has already done it. I can go to hash that mode 0 test4.txt and show. So the password was Krish123, and I don't think any word list would have such a password. So it does help when you know that the word list wouldn't have such kind of password. If you couldn't find a password with a word list, then you jump to a dictionary attack. This is how it works, and the other one is a hybrid word list plus mask. You can also give a word list and then use the hashcat to append it with special numbers. Let me show you. Like the attack mode is 6 for this. I already know the mask is 0. I will be working this on test5.txt. Okay. I will give it the dictionary file rocket.txt, but I want that every password of rocket.txt that you will be, you know, testing, I want you to test it with three digits next to it. So if you are testing for like hello in profi.txt has come up with the word hello, append it with three digits. Let it be hello 000, hello 001, hello 002, hello 999, and so on. This is how it will go. Okay, my bad. And it has found it. So I can run hashcat. I can run for test5.txt. So it's I love you 123. Because I love you came from the rocket.txt and 123 came from the triple D, the masking that I have done. This is how you find password using hybrid word list and the mask. The next is the hybrid mask and then the word list. It's similar to this. It's just instead of post-pending a mask, it prepends it. So just use hashcat for it. The attack mode is I think 7 for this. And then the mode I already know this is to be this, and I can give it the text file. Uh, and then before giving it the word list, I'll be giving it the digits. So you have to start with it now. Instead of I love you 1 2 3, it will be 1 2 3 I love you. Try for this. 1 2 4 I love you. You have to try for this. And then I have to give you the dictionary file. It has already crafted. I can give it text6.txt, and it has given like this 1 2 3 somewhere, the digits, and then the word from the rocket.txt file. So this is the hybrid mask plus word list. The last attack is the association attack. It's a special purpose mode. It is not commonly used because you try to attempt the crack hashes by using known pairs. They are associated plain text and hash combination both. They are rarely used in regular password cracking. It's usually useful when you are going for special forensic cases or capture the flag. Attack you can perform using Hashcat. You can also optimize the performance. You can use Hashcat dash B for seeing how much time it takes. It's called benchmarking, where you measure the speed at which the program can process your hashes. It is done to process your device. Basically, you can assess the performance of a device like your GPU or your CPU. It will take a long time. You can just see that for MD5, it can do it 11.9 meters per second, and for SHA-1, it's 40.49 meters per second, and so on. This is how you can assess your performance. And some more additional features is it can also handle the hashes with salts, which I think was missing in John the Ripper. You can also use session management. You can use that session to rename your sessions. You can also perform multiple hashes cracking simultaneously. You can create a single file which has 7 to 8 hashes, and you can crack them parallelly, and you'll get the answer. And one thing also I found was you can do echo dash. Let's just start with echo, maybe hello, and you can use MD5 some command on your terminal, and it will give you the MD5 encrypted version of this. The problem is hello is always enclosed with a slash n. So to remove the slash n, what you can do is you can write echo dash n, then hello, and then the MD5 sum, and it will give you the direct conversion of hello to its MD5 counterpart. I saw it on YouTube from some YouTuber, I don't remember. But yeah, that's also quite little neat trick I found. So yeah, you can also perform this, and this was it for Hashcat. This is how you can crack your files using Hashcat. Thank you.